Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Shanky.
Тогда пацана посчитать потери. Суммы нули погибают на сцене. Снова один прогуляюсь без тени. Заливаю лик, поцелуй на шее.
Friends, welcome back to Mr. Shanky. So in this video, we are going to see how to make a nice game in Scratch called Pong game. So first of all, you have to open the Scratch app. So what is Scratch? It's basically a programming language that I actually learned here. Wait a second, I'll just move my camera. So here, if you see, we'll have tutorials, and you have to click on the tutorials. You can get all these options. What you can is you can make a game. You can make a game, animate your own characters, do whatever you want. So I'm gonna make this game Pong game in this video. Okay, first step, what we have to do is we have to go and add a backdrop. This is called neon tunnel. Um, tunnel, yeah. Then you have to add ball sprite. So what is sprite? Sprite is basically a character in the whole program. Then we have bouncer also. Basically, you have to give the commands given here. So I'm going to put even, and whatever command is given, you just have to put it. So, and how to change the numbers? It's pointed direction 90 is given. You have to put it pointed direction 45. You can either change it like this or type whatever you want. So I'm just going to do this, and then I'm going to reach back to you. Okay, so I completed this step. Then you have to click this icon here to move to on to the next step. You have to add a paddle. So in this you have to choose a sprite. So you just don't need to scroll down. You can just search paddle. Okay, and then move the paddle so you can move it somewhere wherever you want. Then the same steps. So here, if you see this at mouse X, you'll find it as a different color. So you have to go down to sensing right here. Click on that, and then you can put whatever you want. So I'm going to do this and get back to you again. I completed this step right here. Now I'm going to the next step. Select the ball sprite. So you have to go to the ball sprite again and add of these commands. Then next step, add a score. So you might have doubts to how to do this. So down you'll get variables. Then what you have to do is you make a variable. You'll have an option here. Then you'll write score. That's it. Then choose score from the menu. So here change score here. Then drag that here. Then add totally new command. This. Then you have to add the line spread. So you have to go there and then you have to add something called line. After adding it, you have to reposition down because this is the item which is going to block your game. Then now it's on the line spread, so you have to give comments to the line spread this command. Yep, then that's it. So now this green thing is to start. Let's try it. So I'm gonna close my camera for now. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna maximize it. Now start. Just have to push the paddle through the ball. Say if I'm missing it. Right here it touches the line and it's a game over. If you touch it again, that's it. It will go starting from the thing. Yep. Just leave. So that's all for today, guys. Bye.